Good day you all, my name is Flip. Welcome to the Rustic Way where we do affordable woodworking. Please subscribe and like the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for new videos. Hope you like it. In today's video we're going to support the top and then we're going to sand the top and the legs. Welcome back. Today we're going to sand the tabletop to make it smooth and nice and cut it to size. Just remove the legs that we've done yesterday as well. Let's see. Oh, it's too big, so we'll have to glue that part again, two parts again. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I've put the tabletop upside down now after I glue those pieces back together. So what I've decided now is to make it more steady and stronger. I prepare this piece of wood here. Remember, my one side is nearly flat. This side is not. I have to saw this side. So what I've done is this wood is from half of this plank to half of the plank on that side, and it's about 43 centimeters from this side. Sorry, 44. I've marked it with the pencil stripes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this down here. And I've taken 32 millimeter panel pins. And by doing this, I'm supporting these wood. And the panel pins that I've chosen is not thick, not long enough to go through both pieces of wood. So every piece of wood gets 2 nails. From this side first. Just remember, I've already tightened the clamps. And then each wood gets, I've put in 2 nails blank. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the clamps. I'm going to start with removing this old pieces of wood where it was glued together, and I'm doing that with my chisel. That's it. Now we can start sanding. Remember, for sanding your safety equipment, dust mask, ear protectors and gloves. And if you don't wear glasses, use safety glasses as well. This is how it looks after the first. I've already filled the gaps now with glue and all the dust. So now I let it dry for a while and then I'm going to sand it again. And then I'll sand it with smoother paper until I'm going to round it off with very smooth paper. While we're waiting for the glue to dry on the top, this is the legs that we prepared yesterday, so I'm going to sand that. I'm going to put it in a vise just for me to hold it, and then I'll put on my dust mask. Ear protection. Then I'm going to sand. Sanding is done. Final product looks like this. Remember, I don't want all these dents to come out because the whole exercise is a rustic look. I just need to either round it nicely or take the router and round it with the router. I'm going to try either this one or this one. It's the same curve, just one is smaller than the other. I'm going to try them. Remember again, this is a power tool. It's making a lot of noise, so put up your... I'm not going to wear the dust mask because it's going to be quick. I've replaced it now with a bigger bit. Just remember to unplug it every time you change the bit or you work here, because this is a high rev tool and it will damage your hand very, very nicely. See, if you can look closely, you will see that That one must go a little bit, it's a little bit too deep because it's got this edge here, but that one will look much nicer than this one. So I'm going to use that one, but I'm going to set it correct. In the next video, part 4, we're going to do all measurements and markings on the tabletop.